Hey guys, so I want to talk to you real quick. I have two Saber fonts that I want to show you guys. I found them a long time ago, totally forgot all about them, thanks to Nerf Customs. Definitely bingey. These are both by Lord Blako. Blako? I'll put the name down in the description. You can find both these fonts on saberfonts.com. First one is Dirt Fire. It's a speeder bike. It's really awesome. Check it out.
Sound menu.
Twin Slayer, you're in fire.
This thing is awesome. Listen to that thing. Yes. Next one is really sick.
Sound.
See Gil.
See Gil. I love this one. I gotta change my blades around. I just put these on and haven't really done much to them. All my little scrap flicks. Thanks guys. May the force be with you. Pew, pew.